Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create Grindr account in a very easy way. So first, go to Play Store, then type for Grindr and install, then open. Then you need to click sign up on the top right corner and type your birthday, click next and click accept. Once again, click again and next. And then fill up this page. Click create account. Then click I'm not robot. Then let's proceed to your number. But select your country code first. Then type your phone number and click send code. Wait for a second for the given code on your message and type your code. Then lastly, click verify. Then finally, you create your Grindr. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.